Hi boys and girls, hope you're doing well. In today's lesson we are going to be revising our letter sounds and doing some word building. Let's have a look. What sound does this letter make? K, A, T, M, O, P, E, N, B, D. Good job. Now let's build some words. The first word I want you to write for me is bed. What do you hear when I say the word bed? Good job. The first word or the first letter is B. The second sound, E. And the third sound, D. I slept in a warm bed. The next word we're going to build is bat. What do you hear in the word bat? Good job. The first sound is B. The second sound is A. And the third sound is bat. Bat. I took my bat to go hit some baseballs. Bat. The next word I want you to build is den. What do you hear in the word den? The first sound is D. Second sound is E. And the third sound is N. The lions were all sleeping in the lion's den. Good job. The next word we're going to build is dam. What do you hear in the word dam? Good job. The first sound is D. The second sound is A. And the third sound is M. Dam. All the water is stored in a dam. Well done. Let's try and write the word dot. What do you hear in dot? Good. The first sound we hear is a D. Then the second sound is an O. And the third sound is T. Dot. Dot. I'm going to make a dot on my page. The next word I want you to write is cab. What do you hear in the word cab? Well done. The first sound is K. The second sound is A. And the third sound? Excellent. B. Cab. B. Cab. The yellow cab rooted outside my driveway. How about we make the word sad? What do you hear in sad? Well done. The first sound is S. The second sound is A. And the third sound is D. Teacher Renee is sad it's cold today. Sad. Let's do another word. How about the word pod? What do you hear in pod? Well done. The first sound is P. The second sound is O. And the third sound is D. Pod. D. There are two P's in the pod. Pod. I think we have time for two more words. How about we write the word pad? What do you hear in pad? Well done. P is the first sound. A is the second sound. And D is the third sound. P-A-D. Pad. I wrote a letter on my notepad. And the last word, let's make the word sob. What do you hear in sob? The first sound is S. The second sound is O. And the third sound is B. S-O-B. Sob. The child sobbed because he was afraid of the big bad wolf. Sob. S-O-B. Sob. Another word to cry. So girls and boys, those are just some letter building words that that we practiced today. Let's go through your sounds one more time. I think I will write them here on top just so you can see. The first sound is k, a, ts, m, o, e, m, s, I, b, d. Now why don't you go practice building some words with the sounds that we've learned. Have a good day.